but I can say that it's great to be part of this. I've come here to do this in particular, and what it is, it's a program that was written and it's text-based. And as I say, the graph is the program. And it gets used for video editing, for music. I mean, the hardcore program is just text. You just moving numbers, it's just lines. But what these guys have done, they've added to that. They've used that as a basis. They've got these a lot easier to use graphic interfaces, which you'll see. And they're actually jamming now. There's one guy in Germany, there's one guy in the United States. I'm losing track actually. And they help us install this. There's a chat session. So we've got a few terminals here, 1, 2, 3 that are running this, and we've got one out at the back. So we've actually 4 machines running. But there's all these other guys around the world doing it as well. The one out the back is connected to the sound system, so anything we do here, we'll be hearing by that one. We only need one sound card. Yep.
You know, are they actually doing this?
They're doing this now. They started about half an hour ago, and you heard each note being put in.
It was planned it.
It's not planned, it's just improvised, totally improvised. And that's why there is this genre called minimal techno. Because it's loops, you don't have chords, so if you expect to hear power chords, your beat is appointed. If you expect to hear melodies, your beat is appointed. I mean, my favourite style of music is really screwed up beats, it's quite different, but with this, generally it's the production value that counts with this. So everything's changing slowly and you're listening. And everybody here will have a go of it as well. And so what I ask everybody when they're having a go of it, number one rule for jamming electronic music is because you don't have like really clearly defined roles. Like you're the bassist, you're the drummer, you're the guitarist. So number one rule is when you change something, just hear if you can hear, see if you can hear the change. And if you can't hear what you're doing, put it back where it was. Try something else. And you hear what change, what difference it made. If not, put it back where it was, try something else. And you'll eventually find something that is making a change. Maybe you might have to turn up the volume on that just to hear yourself. Louder than what sounds nice, but you know, just to hear yourself, just momentarily. And bring it back down, you know, if people like. So what we're going to do is get Matt's had experience with this. You've done workshops here with it before, no?
A little bit, yeah.
Yeah. So the program's called Pure Data. PD, that's why I chose the name Pingdom, PD, and it's all public domain, it's all free software, it's community. So I get Matt, who's already used a little bit, to hop onto this machine, and I don't know where Jake's gone.
He's just outside for the minute, but he'll be back in 2 minutes.
Okay. Well, Jake, and what's your name?
Michael.
Michael?
Do you want to have a go in a bit, Michael? Just let Jake come in because Jake's been doing it all afternoon and setting it up.
Jake's been struggling with it like I have.
Yeah.
Jake?
And then you can have a go in a bit when we kind of